Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I will be continuing on our 2021 color trends. We've already discussed the neutrals for furniture and the modern boho. So whether you are DIYing and painting furniture for yourself or doing this for a business, we can all benefit from knowing and understanding these color trends and really encouraged decor themes that go along with it. So just a quick recap if you are joining us. Every year, major paint companies will release new color palettes and one color of the year. This year is very unique and special because they all match. All their colors are intertwining with each other. And so this is how we know that they are going to be playing off each other for a very long time. But it's safe to say that we can take this leap into 2021, redecorating with all these fresh colors. Now we are embarking on our jewel tone palette for the more modern, maximalist look. So let's run through those colors and see how this applies on our furniture. Let's get started. So I always get really excited when I see major interior paint companies push inspirational meanings in their decor themes. And I really like this color palette because its main target is to produce a joy and creativity. So think of one common color that is used for like an uplifting cheery vibe. It's usually in the yellow family. So as we've been learning, everything in 2021 is centered around nature. So they are adding some fun colors to the mix that I am super pumped about because these look amazing on furniture. So we have periwinkle blue, we have a nice medium toned pink, we have a nice mid-range green, and then to ground it all down, we've got this nice seasoned black. Okay, so these are some pretty bold colors, and we're gonna need to talk about some complementary colors before we get into that furniture. However, how awesome are these colors? So many choices. Now, with all these super bold jewel toned colors, one might ask, what is a complementary color to go with all that? I pulled up a couple to really zone in and help us out on our furniture painting journey. So let's dive right in. So here are those main colors pictured in a room. And in them, we can see two things. The first is they use some neutral colors for the furniture, and that is a coordinating option. And second, they're using the same primary colors in the furniture. So that's a way that these colors can intertwine with each other. Okay, so I already painted this side paint table, and now this is a really good reference for if you don't really want to dive into something too punchy right now and you just want to start off tiny bit and see how a nice vibrant jewelry color would work in your space, you can start off with a side table like this. So I still have to finish some things up on the top, but I really wanted to present this to you guys as a really great example for the colors we've been talking about. So I'm going to finish up the top and show you guys a little bit more of this table, and so hopefully you can get some ideas and inspiration for your furniture projects. So I painted the top of this table in Dixie Belle Caviar, and the bottom is in Modern Masters Rose Gold and their Black Pearl. So you can find these paint colors any paint brand that you feel comfortable painting with. They are pretty much prominent colors in any paint line. So just grab your paintbrush, grab some paint, and have fun with it. Explore. You know, I really strongly encourage you guys to dive into some creativity with this. The paint companies are putting out these paint palettes and these decor themes because we're spending so much time indoors, and they're really encouraging that joy and creativity to help us. And so I really strongly encourage you guys to to dive into that and explore and, you know, go beyond the white and distressing, and to, you know, have fun with a piece of furniture and, you know, paint it with a splash of color, or, you know, go bold with a dresser. And, you know, let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you guys. Leave a comment down below and let me know which decor theme that you are liking out of this 2021 color trends. Don't forget to like this video and share it if you found some value in it. Also, stay tuned for next week because we will be diving into our last decor theme and color palette for the modern techie house. So guys, it was a pleasure talking to you. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.